I should have washed it very well.
I washed really well, I promise.
Okay. I will only put cilantro in your bowl this time.
Okay. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Tony Learns Cooking. My name is Tony. I don't know how to cook, but I do know someone who does. Today I'm joined by my good friend Hope, who specializes in traditional northern Chinese dishes. Today it's a very simple dish. It's just tomato egg drop soup. One of my favorites.
Very easy, very delicious, very quick soup you can cook at home. You know what? We'll just start from garlic, green onion, cilantro. So we're gonna chop the tomato. Oh my god, you still put this under the steam on it, man.
I didn't put it there. It was there before.
Gonna eat this?
So I'll do with garlic first.
Sure.
Can I?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, good enough. Thank you. I should have washed it very well.
I washed really well, I promise.
Okay. I will only put cilantro in your bowl this time.
Okay. You can take the leaves, I'll take the stem. So you want to do it like this?
Yeah. I will crack the egg.
Yeah, egg cracking is pretty easy, so I'll leave it to my assistant to do.
Now we're gonna do last.
Cube it?
No, because we are doing the tong, we're not stir fry the dishes, so when I get all the flavor come out this time, we don't cube it, we slice it.
We want the flavors to come out.
Slice to small pieces. Here we go, very easy. I think you can do it.
I think we've established over many episodes that I am not good with shapes.
Not too bad.
Oh, thank
For
God.
you.
So with a compliment, there was also a jab.
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, that's it.
We're done prep?
Yeah.
I'm glad you're letting me cook this dish because after all, it is called Tony Learns Cooking. Okay, I watched you cook, so I'm gonna be very perfect at this. I'm gonna put some oil in this one. Or you want me to use peppercorn? This one. Shit, I'm already not sure what to do. So I'm gonna just pour some in. How much are we talking
A
here?
little bit. Yeah. It's a soup.
It's a.
You don't want to drink too much oil.
Oh right, it is a soup. I forgot what we're cooking.
It's a soup.
Yes.
That's too much. Here we go. Hurry up.
And then this in.
No.
And then what do I do with this?
Tomato, yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
And then what do I do?
Salt. Pink one.
I don't see it. I see it. How much?
1 tablespoon.
Oh, 1 tablespoon. Okay. Okay, what else?
Here.
I ain't not knowing what to do. What do I do now?
Let the juice come out.
I remember what you said. I was stirring from the bottom of the pot.
Put in the water.
How much? This?
Put your bring the water bottle. Bring your water bottle.
How much are we doing?
Keep doing. That's it. Mix your egg. That's it. Okay, put on your bowl. The cornstarch. Slow. Take it easy, slow, and nice. Make a very good circle in the bottle.
What's that?
Mix it, yeah. Put your cornstarch in. Make a circle, slow and nice. Pour in. Make a circle, pour in. Slow, nice. Slow and nice. Stir. Pair up. Until boiling.
Okay.
그다음에 sesame oil. Boiling, right? Turn off the heat. Pour the egg. I will do it.
Slowly, right?
Here we go, that's it. Don't stir. Let it settle down. Here we go, that's it.
Don't break the shape of the eggs.
Yeah, you're gonna stir it after it's cooked.
Okay.
We're gonna use the leftover temperature to cook it because we already turned off the heat.
Are we done? That's
Oh,
quick.
if you like white peppercorn, you can put a little bit white peppercorn on the top. That's it.
Thank you.
There you go. Thank you.
Perfect. So we made our soup, and this is probably one of my favorite soups. I'm really dying to try what this will taste like. What do you think beforehand?
Tomato and egg soup,
Yeah,
always good.
always good. Oh, that's a lot. I'm gonna have to try all of that.
Here we go.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Oh, such a good aroma.
Smells so good.
And cilantro is such a refreshing scent. It's so good. It's so light and it's so fresh.
It's always good. Always.
My favorite part about the tomato egg drop soup is how gentle and smooth and light it is. It doesn't feel like it's a heavy dish.
Yeah. It's always like good for any time. Like in the morning, you can put a noodle in it and that's your breakfast. In the noon, it's just a soup for you. In the dinner, you can put something like wonton in the soup as well. It's
Like
kind of-
wontons.
Yeah, it can be your like very quick dinner as well. So it's always good.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel and also drop us a comment below. See if there's anything else we can do. If you have any ideas. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.